We're out here looking at how the wall's coming. This is where they've fixed all the old cracks to where they won't crack anymore. Not perfect, but it's going to keep it from cracking. And put the oil-based primer on it. And then we will repaint with the sand dune color. Liking it?
Sand dune?
Sand dune?
That's white.
That's the white primer.
Ah,
Next will be the sand dune, right?
Yes. How about this one?
Yep.
Do you put a paint? Directly paint?
We may have to, we'll see how much primer we've got, but we may want to go primer over that new concrete that got splattered.
You think?
Maybe.
But we still put it here.
And then they're going to put it on top of the wall on the flat surface to keep any moisture from soaking into the wall that wasn't done when they originally did it.
True.
So, yeah, it's looking good. And they saw cut the couple of cracks that we've had here, and they're going to be filling those up.
Here.
Yeah, we may need to have them cut that one too.
Cut or just like that?
Or just maybe put the oil-based sealer over it. You see they've put this one in place. And the last two that they've got left to do are right by our gate. They've got those ready to form in and make the tops. And this one as well. So, yeah, it's coming along good.
It's very, look,
Hi, Blondie.
what will happen to this? If they will put some paint.
Yeah, they'll just sand that down a little bit with some sandpaper and then paint over it with the sand dune, and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Unless you want to just pick it all off like that, and then they won't even have to sand it. What you think?
Yeah, I love this. I love to to peel this off.
I know. You would like to paint it. You'd like to do all the work yourself because you like doing stuff like
Yeah.
that.
They said that I'm a construction worker.
What?
I'm a construction.
You're a construction worker?
Yes, I'm a construction worker.
Oh, I
I
see.
can do everything.
I know you can.
I can paint. I can do it. If it's not hot, I can do it. Look.
Yeah.
I'm
Hi guys, welcome back. Well, we got a typhoon coming, and we had an earthquake last night. But other than that, I wanted to show you some of the work that we've been doing since we got the road fixed. So let's take a look. Thanks for coming along, guys. Okay, as you can tell, we repaired all the cracks in this wall and all the way down to the other end, which we'll walk down there in a minute. And after we did that, we sealed it, and then we painted it. We painted all the drain pipes that are coming down. All the underground drains are finished. You can see the road came out really nicely. And this wall came out very nice, I think. Let me unzoom a little bit here. We still have to work on resetting these water meters. These are our water meters, and get this area all cleaned up. We're going to bring the concrete out and around, like this wall is going to be here, and this has to be done right here. But we went ahead and repaired the wall, and it just had some minor cracks and stuff in the rendering of the wall that we had to get repaired. So we went ahead and did that before we repainted. And as you can see, our stain job on this fence gate, on both fence gates, is not holding up because they didn't use a urethane, they used a varnish, and that varnish is just not holding up in this heat and so much rain and moisture. So we've hired a couple of guys here to come out and strip all of this down and restain it, and then spray it with probably 2 or 3 coats of polyurethane clear coat, which should look good, we think, anyway. All right, let's walk back up. Really kind of pleased with how the road came out. It's very nice. And since our last video, there's been a change on this piece of land right here. Paul and Agnes were going to put 3 apartments on here, and they've decided that they're not going to do that anymore, and they're going to put this land up for sale. Already have a couple of people interested in this lot. It's a really nice lot, and hopefully we'll get some good neighbors, whoever decides to purchase this. So we'll keep you posted that on that in the future. Ours bougainvilleas are really coming through the fence line. I've been training them to go up and into the fence, and they're really looking good, blooming out really nice. As you can see, our water lines here. Again, I'm going to be putting these together. Show you with my feet here. Together and then up on the wall, and we will clip those. So in case we ever have to replace or repair water lines, we'll be able to get to them. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and paint those to match the fence. Okay guys, another day here, and the storm has passed us by, and we have begun the refinishing job on the doors. So let me get out of here. Okay, this is going to wrap up this week. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. So, as you can see, I've done some stripping and sanding, and then we'll be refinishing. It'll look good. Enjoy the bloopers at the end.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
All right, see you on the next one.
You know, I would just say, don't include it, okay? I would just say, I don't do it.
Blondie's enjoying the day after the storm. Yeah.